Yeah, hello. Listings to a real estate website. Um, so we have our website right here. So there are several plugins that we could use to add listings to a website. Some are free, some are paid. So I'll be using a free version here, which is a free plugin, which is Essential Real Estate. This Essential Real Estate plugin gives you the ability to, add multiple listings, to put as many information as you will see in this video. All right. So, like I said, I'm using the Essential Real Estate plugin. All right. So, in order to now after you must have installed the Essential Real Estate plugin. It will be installed, and on the left hand side you'll find the menu here where you have the properties. You have all properties that have been added. Then if you want to add a new property, you have it as add new post. You can configure the property type, as you're going to see. You can configure the property status, the feature, property label. You can configure the province or state, the city, town, neighborhood, country. Now, as along with the properties, you also have some features that come with it. We have agents, where you can assign agents to some properties. We have packages that come along with it. You have user packages, invoices, transaction logs. So I must tell you that the Essential Real Estate plugin is a really robust plugin where you can add as many features as you want. Alright, so for this particular site, these are just some properties that have been added. So let's assume that we want to add a new property. Alright, so we'll move on to this menu, which is add new post. Once you click on add new post, it will load and then take you to a page, to this particular interface where it says you should add new properties. Alright, so this is where you add the title of the property. So let's say that we want to add the property which is located at, let's call it at Ibeju, Lekki. So you can call it Ibeju Lekki Rentals. Okay. Then after you've added that, you scroll down. Okay. Now over here you can add some information that you want to be seen. Okay. Then you move on. Then to your left, to your right, you will see the property type. Now this property type have been created already. They've been created already. And if you want to create more, you can just click on add new property type, or you can create it by also going to this property type from here. Just add and then give it the name that you intend. So let's say that this is an apartment. So you click on apartments. Alright, then you scroll down under property status. If it is for rentage, you put there for rentage. If it is for sale, put for sale. If it is for lease, so anyone which you desire. I'm going to show you what it's going to look like on the front end of the site. So we click on for rent. Okay, and then the next thing is property feature. Now, what are the features on this property? Does it have air conditioning? So you click as many property features that the property has. Yes, you can click as many as it has, or you can even add a new property here. Once you add it, and then you click on add. Okay. Alright, then you go to property label. Now, is this label, is it hot on offer? Is it just for sale? If it is hot and people are really um, in search of the property that's hot offer, all right, then province or states, this has also been imputed on the site, where you'll be able to select which state the property can be found. So this particular property can be found in Lagos, so you select Lagos. Then this are the local government. These local governments have also been imputed. So let's say it's at Ibejuleki, and then we have neighborhood. Well, you may set the neighborhood as well. Then to chat, you can put a number here if you want the people that are in search of the listing to chat. So you can chat or call to action for a message that pops up. Right? You may leave out some of this, and then the country basically is Nigeria. You can select now you can key in the country of choice. Now all of this can be done from this left hand side. You can add the country, neighborhood, and the likes. Okay, so now it's important that you set a featured image. Okay, so once you click on that set featured image, you see this. Maybe you have added some properties already, so you see it here, or if you've not, you can upload your properties. Click on upload, and then you select. Once you select, it goes to your computer, and you'll be able to select the property which you so desire. Alright, so let's say that this particular property, we select this, and then we set our featured image. Now this featured image is so important. Okay, and then we scroll down. Alright, this particular space you can customize as many things as you desire over here, but you can leave it as it is. Alright, so you scroll down to this property information. This section is very important. So for this basic information, when you click on it, you see all this. You'll be able to add the price. So let's take the price as 1 million. You don't need to place the comma, because the comma has already, there is a setting that will automatically add the comma after 3 zeros from the back. If there are decimals, you can put the decimal there. Price unit, if it's in thousands, if it's in millions, you can do that. And then price before price label. So before the label, like, do you want to have a label like from what to what, or from start from what? Maybe start from, let's say, 1 million naira per month. So for example, this is going to be starts from, then you put the per year, for example. So it could be that. So let's make it 10 over here. Price on call, you may select yes or no. So what this means is that you don't want the price to be displayed. You want those that are searching for the house to give you a call before they can get the price. When you click on this, you'll see that the price and everything goes. But if you want them to see the price, then you can click on no. Alright, then you can the size of the apartments, so let's just say it's 540 square foot. The land area, let's say it's let's say it's 640. Just put in the values, how many bedrooms does it contain. Let's say it contains 4 rooms. How many bedrooms? Let's say it contains 3 bedrooms. Bathroom, let's say it contains 4 bathrooms. Does it have a garage? Yes, let's put it 1. The size of the garage, let's put it as 50 square foot. Yeah, it was built. It's important because those that search for house want to know when it was built. So let's say it was built in 2018. Then property ID. Yeah, the property ID will help to search property directly. So you can check the properties that have been previously added to know the number. Then before you can put the property ID. So let's say this is 002. Okay. Additional details, title, value. Mark this property as featured. Yes, you can mark it as featured. We are going to see everything on the front end. Alright, then you click on the location. Now you can put the actual address where this location is found. You can put the zip code, just go to your Google and then search for the zip code of that particular address. Then it's going to bring out the zip code. Then you can also enter the address here. Once you enter the address here, it's going to load the Google map. Okay, once you enter the address, you click on find address, it will load the Google map. Next, you move on to floor plans. Here you'll be able to, is it ground floor? Is it the first floor? Is it the second floor? You state it. Floor price. So let's say this is the ground floor. So ground floor. Floor price. So let's say we have it as 1 million per month, and then the floor size. Okay, that's the price. Then the floor size. Let's say it's still 540 square foot. We have the size postfix, that's in square foot. Bedroom, can talk about 3 bedrooms. Bath, can have it as 4 bathrooms. Can give you some description. Okay, floor plan image. Yeah, this is very necessary. When you click on this, you'll be able to choose. You'll be able to upload what the floor image looks like. Okay, you choose what it looks like. So when you are done with this, if you want to add another floor, like this is just the ground floor, you can add another floor, which will be like how many floors does it have. So you can put it there. Then you can have a gallery image. Now the gallery image, you will be able to put images of other parts of the apartments. Snap it so that for sightseeing is very important. You can add as many as you so desire. File attachment, if there are some files that you want attached, you can also attach the files. Maybe it's documents and the likes. You can attach the documents that you feel is necessary. Property video, very, very nice. So as you can see that this plugin makes a lot of sense. So you'll be able to add the video. I would really recommend using a video URL rather than from some of these external sources like YouTube, Vimeo, rather than just uploading the video on your site, because it has the potential of slowing down the site. Alright, then you go to virtual tour. Yeah, you can embed some code, enter virtual tour embedded code, or or you can upload videos. These videos are also virtual, just to see around a 360-degree view of the property. Okay, then you can assign property agents to this particular property, so that once you click on, now once you set agents and then you select the particular agent, you the customer will be able to reach out, will be able to reach out to maybe a particular agent, as it so desires. So you can do that from there, and then you can have a private note. So these are some. Okay, so let's add some images here. So let's say we're adding some images here just for the purpose of so we can have a video. Let's see if we'll be able to load a video here. Few minutes, please. I'm also able to add a video. Okay, perhaps it's still loading. So okay, let me see if I'll be able to copy the link. Okay, so we can let's add the video there. Alright, so I would have loved us to add the agent if we've already created one, so that you see how it goes. Alright, so after all that has been done, let's save. So you come over here and then you publish. So once you publish, let's be patient. Okay, so it has been published. You'll be able to view posts, from here. Let's view the posts. Let's see what it looks like. Now once you post, you will also, when you refresh this particular page where you have all properties, sure we'll be able to also view it there. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so as you can see, Ibejuleki rentals for rent, the price, everything is there. You can edit it, by coming over here and have a quick edit. That's to make it as quick as possible, though it's not going to be too detailed. But if you want to do it and edit it detail, you go to edit. If you're not interested, you can trash it. Alright, so let's see the outcome. Here you have the outcome. So here are the galleries. So this is start from 10 million naira per month. The naira had been created over there initially. So property 2. These are the details. So description, address, if you put it there, everything is going to show. As you can see, if you click on Ibejuleki, you're going to bring all the properties that you have on Ibejuleki. So you can see property IDs, the amount, the apartments, for rent, brings out the details, how many floors it has. You'll be able to, pick that, and then if you added an agent, you'll be able to see that. Alright, so that's basically what it entails when it comes to listings. So once you click on listings here, so you'll be able to see some of the listings. So you have for rent, for lease, depends on which one you select. Okay, alright, so as you can see, here is what had been created before. Here is a second property. Now look here. you can see the featured is featured, like we selected over there that we want it to appear under featured, so it's going to appear, as you can see, marked as featured. So we have the want as hot offer, like a lot of people are asking for it. Okay, apartments. Now you can select who is responsible, maybe it's an agent or whoever is responsible, so this gives you the details. And when the buyers or the renters want to get more details, all they need to do is just to click on the image and then it will show. So I hope this video has given you some insight into the use of this particular plugin.